Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The 2026 Mercedes Metris continues to stand out as a premium midsize van designed for drivers who need flexibility, comfort, and reliability in one well-balanced package. And in this video we take a detailed look at why it remains a smart choice for both commercial and personal use. From the outside, the Metris carries a clean and professional design with Mercedes-Benz signature styling, featuring a refined front grille, modern LED lighting, and a compact yet purposeful body that makes it easy to maneuver in tight urban environments. Unlike larger full-size vans, the Metris feels more manageable on city streets while still offering impressive interior space. Its sliding side doors and wide rear opening make loading and unloading effortless, whether you're transporting tools, cargo, passengers, or converting it for travel and lifestyle use. The balanced proportions and solid build quality give it a premium presence that reflects Mercedes-Benz engineering. For those using the Mercedes Metris as a multi-purpose or camper-style vehicle, the interior layout allows for creative customization. The spacious cabin can easily accommodate seating arrangements that transform into dining or lounging areas, making it perfect for travel and leisure. Foldable or removable seats allow the interior to be reconfigured for cargo transport or overnight stays. With the right setup, the rear space can be converted into a sleeping bed, offering enough room for a comfortable night's rest, especially when paired with smart storage solutions underneath. Cabinets, side compartments, and overhead storage can be added to keep essentials organized, while large windows allow natural light to flood the cabin, enhancing the feeling of openness. Climate control vents throughout the cabin ensure that all passengers remain comfortable, regardless of seating position. Performance-wise, the 2026 Mercedes Metris delivers a smooth and confident driving experience thanks to its efficient and refined engine paired with a well-tuned transmission. It offers strong acceleration for highway merging and steady power delivery when carrying heavier loads. The rear-wheel drive layout enhances balance and stability, especially when the van is fully loaded, while the suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and road imperfections without feeling soft or unstable. The Metris handles more like a large car than a traditional van, making it easy to drive even for those new to commercial vehicles. Fuel efficiency is another advantage, helping reduce operating costs over time while still delivering the performance expected from a Mercedes-Benz vehicle. Safety and technology play a major role in the appeal of the 2026 Metris. Mercedes equips it with advanced driver assistance features such as collision prevention assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping support, crosswind assist, rear-view cameras, and parking sensors. These systems work together to improve confidence behind the wheel, especially in busy traffic, narrow streets, or windy highway conditions. The strong body structure and comprehensive airbag system further enhance occupant protection, making the Metris a dependable option for transporting people or valuable cargo. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes Metris is a versatile van that bridges the gap between comfort and capability. It offers the premium feel of a Mercedes-Benz with the practicality required for work, travel, or everyday life. Whether used as a business vehicle, a family transporter, or a customized lifestyle van, the Metris delivers a refined driving experience, smart interior space, and reliable performance. Its manageable size, advanced safety features, and high-quality construction make it an excellent choice for those who want a van that works hard while still feeling modern and comfortable every time you get behind the wheel.